Hello, my dear friends. I'm about to give you a free gift. It's a sample video from my patreon.com site, and it is a mini mentoring session. You'll get one of these every Friday, just as a little teaser, a little taste to see what it would be like to get one of these 5 days a week. If you decide you'd like to have one of these mini mentoring sessions 5 days a week, ad-free, go to A Better Life with FlyLady Kat at patreon.com, patreon.com, and sign up. It's only $5 a month. You get 20 videos a month, and they are designed to give you a kick in the pants first thing in the morning. It's set up so that you can see them first thing, so you can watch them in bed even before you get going. It's designed for payroll and at-home homemakers, and it will help you with the way you think about the way you're doing life and doing the FlyLady system. So I hope that you go over and check out my Patreon site. While you're there, look at all of the other opportunities that I have for you for mentoring. We do personal one-on-one mentoring. There are different levels of that. And also I offer this year in 2022 financial mentoring. So if you need a budget, if you would like to be financially independent, now's the time to sign up for that as well. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy the video. Hello, patrons. How do you do it when you just don't want to? Let's say you woke up this morning and you were feeling a little groggy. You didn't get enough sleep, or you woke up in the middle of the night and couldn't sleep, and you did everything right yesterday, but today you just don't feel like doing it. You know what your plan is for today. You get up, you look in your planner, and it says, yep, the same thing you thought. Morning routine. Paper routine, laundry. Today is, whatever the day is, planning and desk day, whatever. And we're in zone, let's say it's zone 2, the kitchen, or zone 5, the living room, doesn't matter. You see it and you go, I just don't want to do it today. I want to go into my kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee and sit in my robe in my comfy chair, drink coffee and stare out the window. That's what I want to do. But later on today, if you do that, and you certainly can, you're going to wake up your children if you have them, and you're going to look like this, frumpy in your gown or whatever. And you're going to go in there and say, honey, time to get up. Get up. Mama has to go get her clothes on. Get up. Honey, get up. And then you go in your bedroom and you pull on some sweats and you put on a hoodie and you look at yourself in the mirror and think, I guess I'll brush my teeth. You brush your teeth. You wipe the mascara off that's, maybe you didn't take it off last night, so you wipe it off from under your eyes. Go back in and you say, honey, get up. We only have 20 minutes. Get up. Hurry. Mom, I didn't want to get up. I know you don't, but get up. Come on, get up. Let's go in the bathroom and get ready. So you take your child in the bathroom, and the bathroom is a mess because you didn't clean it this morning after yourself. Or maybe you didn't clean it yesterday. Maybe that's why you don't feel inspired today. For whatever reason, your child goes in there and makes more of a mess. You go in the kitchen because you don't care. You slam a bowl of cereal down in front of the poor thing, put some food together for a lunch. Where's your books? Where's your books? Get your books. Why aren't your books by the front door? Where are your shoes? What do you mean you can't find your shoes? You have to wear those shoes. No, you can't wear that shirt. And that story goes on. Finally, you get your child in the car and you pick up the people that you've said you would pick up for carpool, and you get them you get in the line at school, and it starts to rain, and you think, I don't want to go home and do all this stuff. You drop your children off, and then you go home. You park in the driveway. You put your head on the steering wheel, and you go, I don't want to do it. I can't face this house. I'm going to go right through the drive-thru and get another cup of coffee. So you leave and you go get another cup of coffee. You get home and the same stuff is facing you that was facing you when you first wake up. How do you do it? Well, here's what you do. You say, you know what? Enough of that. Enough of this feeling sorry for yourself. We're going to do this. We're going to do it a little bit today and a little bit tomorrow and a little bit the next day till it's all done. So you talk to yourself as an adult, not as a child, and you say, knock it off. Go in the house and we're going to start your morning routine. You should have done it earlier, but that's okay. Put that in a bubble, blow it away. Let's go in and do the morning routine. So what is the morning routine? You're overwhelmed, so you can't think. So look at your list. Make your bed. That's the first thing on the routine. So you go in the bedroom, you get the cat off the bed, you get the dog out from under the covers, you pull your covers up, put the pillow on the head of the bed and say, that'll have to do. Next thing on the list, brush your teeth. Oh, I did that. Mark it off. Wash your face. Okay, fine. So you go and you wash your face. Next thing, put on moisturizer. Okay, fine. Put on your moisturizer. Now you're starting to actually feel a little better. Your skin's feeling hydrated. You're feeling a little better. Next thing is brush your hair. Okay, I'm going to brush this hair. Get your hair brushed. Okay, next thing, put on a little bit of makeup. Fine, I could put on makeup. So you put on some foundation, you put on some powder maybe, a little bit of blush, a little bit of lipstick, draw your eyebrows on, put some mascara on. That's all you're doing. That's actually a fresh face. Now you look in the mirror and you're looking a little bit better. Even though the mirror has spots all over it, you're looking better. Next thing, get dressed. Well, I did lay out my clothes yesterday, so let me put these on. I'm not filling these clothes today, but let me put them on. So you put them on, because when you picked them out, you knew what the weather was going to be. So you put on your jeans, and you put on your t-shirt, and you put on your earrings, or whatever you've picked out, your blouse, your bracelet, whatever you've picked out, and your earrings, and you say, now that looks pretty good. I look pretty good. Got my lipstick on, got my clothes on. Okay, I'm going to put these PJs in the wash. Let me go throw those in the wash. What's the next thing on the list? Next thing, wipe out the sink. Well, there's all this stuff around the sink, but that's okay because she said I don't have to worry about the counters, just the sink. So where's my spray? Here it is. Where's that washcloth I put under there? There it is. Wash it out, polish the faucets, go to the toilet, just swish around the bowl, flush it, go to the kitchen, wash your hands, empty the dishwasher. Did I run the dishwasher? I did run the dishwasher. Empty the dishwasher, put everything away. Now I can put these dishes from breakfast in there. Let me put those in. And make yourself a cup of coffee. Well, I've already done that. Do I have other bathrooms I need to swish and swipe? Yeah, let me go get the other bathroom real quick. Swish. You're done. Okay, now you've done your morning routine. Next thing on the list, laundry. Okay, so go start a load of laundry. Put your laundry in. It doesn't take a second. You got that beautiful smelling Mrs. Myers that Kat told you about. It does smell good. And the washer's going and you're feeling a little better. Things are happening. You're going to go get an inch of paper. You don't want to do an inch of paper. You've got this much paper, but you're taking an inch because the first a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a step. So you take your little inch of paper. You don't have to deal with it. You just have to sort it. Trash, trash, trash. Action. Action. Trash, 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 trash. Could be action. Trash, trash. Take this trash to the garbage or the shred. Take this to your inbox. Morning routines are done. Next, we're doing the zone. And so let's say it's the living room. So go in your living room and it's a mess. So you're just going to pick up for 15 minutes and start to declutter. Set your timer. Go. Just pick up. Just maybe you've let it just get out of control and you just need to declutter. You're not really decluttering. You're just kind of picking up. At least do that. And then vow that you're going to keep a clutter check on it so this won't happen again so you can actually declutter next time. Deep declutter or deep clean. Your 15 minutes is up. Stop. If you have anything to throw away, go throw it in the trash. If you have anything to give away, go put it in the back of the car. Next, the zone. Okay, let's say it's planning and desk day. So you know that stuff you just put in your inbox, you're going to handle that today. But first you're going into the refrigerator and you do the things that are on the plan. You know, check the fridge, make a menu, check your inventory, make a grocery list, check your budget, balance your checkbook, go through the inbox, make a plan for next week. Now you're starting to feel better and you're done until the kids come home and then you have dinner, after dinner routine and before bed routine. And what time is it? Oh my gosh, it's not even 10 o'clock. I feel pretty good. That's how you do it when you don't feel like doing it. You get at your list and you just make yourself go through the list. Some days you won't feel it and you don't have to. You just have to do it. That's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, patrons. And I want you to remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.